heaven. If you try, no hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Many men no country. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. No religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live in one. Imagine no concessions. Wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. Brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. They say I'm a dreamer,